Today on Yardstyle Live, we have world-renowned reggae global ambassador for Jamaican music and its entirety. We have Warrior King. And you know, when you talk about Warrior King, the name says it, you know, this man is a warrior and he's a king. Well known for hits such as Virtuous Woman. People know it as Shuba Shuba Day, because people, you know, make it their own name. And also, Never Go Where Pagans Go and Can't Get Me Down. People, we have to welcome again Warrior King and Yardstyle Live. Warrior King.
Rastafari, greetings.
Blessed love, it's an honor.
It's a pleasure, man.
Yeah, man.
Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Empire Selassie I. It's a pleasure I feel. A long time I feel, and I know.
Yeah, man.
About curious days, you know what I mean? So,
Well,
you know, so from even before I get the break. I think you in the industry before me, so maximum respect, man. Enough honors.
Well, you know, I'm glad for the accolades so the people, world can see it.
Yeah,
I know,
man, a long time.
music field has been doing for a long time.
Long time.
All right.